Dogs are used to follow the lion's scent, and as they draw near, will be released to tree the cat. The only way that the men can hope to approach such an elusive subject. Once the lion is treed, the dogs are called off and leashed nearby. The first to use tranquilizer darts to subdue mountain lions, Dr. Hornacher designed the technique of apprehending them. But before drug doses were perfected, he often found himself face to face with an angry cougar 60 feet above the ground.
He's out. Right on down, Jay.
Jay.
Okay.
Well, she looks all right from here, Jay.
Okay.
Well, go on. You need some slack?
Yeah, a little bit. Real easy. Okay, that's good. Easy. Keep feeding it out. Easy. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right down. Beautiful. She's a husky cat, Morris.
No.
That's fine. Well, she's fine. Easy, Jay.
Okay.
Just right. It's going just right. Great. Got her, Carrie. Yeah. Okay, Jay, we got her. We got him.
The old radio collar must be replaced with a new one when batteries wear down. Its signal can tell Hornacher where the cat is living and if it has recently made a kill. He has come to learn that cougars may keep their well-defined territory or home range for life and will only move on if prey becomes scarce or their habitat is altered.
Oh, they're great. Yeah. Little wear on the upper incisors, but otherwise they're in good shape.
A little yellow.
Oh, that's fine. Teeth are great. Let's get the claw while we can here. Yeah.
Boy, look at that dew claw.
They're in good. She's in good shape. Everything here intact.
Okay, ready? Okay, go.
You got it,
Morris?
heavy.
Yeah.
Hey, careful. Higher, Morris. Higher. You got it?
112.
Since 1964, Dr. Hornacher has studied cougars in the wild. Through his pioneering research, we have come to know the animal as never before, though there is still much to learn.